And after we have welcomed the Almighty in our thoughts, in our expression, and in our day, I now take the opportunity of extending a very warm welcome to all of you to this prestigious award ceremony, which celebrates excellence in education. So as we move on to the first set of awards, I would like to once again invite Dr. Shashi Tharoor, our chief guest, to kindly do the honor of presenting these awards. And we would also like to express our thanks to University First, which are the sponsors of this research which was done. The next award is for the Best Institute for Financial Management Studies in India. And it goes to Indian Institute of Finance. We have Chairman, Professor J.D. Agarwal. And as I know, Vice Chairman, Professor Saurabh Agarwal, if he is also here, would like to request him to kindly grace the dais. The next award is for the best placements amongst autonomous management institutes in North India. And this award goes to Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi. I think we have the representative and member media committee, Mr. Nishant Kumar, coming and receiving the award. IIT Delhi, no introduction of course required, is the best in research among all B schools. It boasts of being one of the best colleges in terms of return on investment. It is the center of excellence, and the professors of Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi, act as consultants in the government, as well as at several private companies on matters of strategic importance. Now this award is for the best adventure education company in India, and it goes to Rocksport. Rocksport, and we have the founding director, Mr. Piyush Khandelwal, coming to receive the award. Now Rocksport is an adventure-based research organization that is continuously involved in the process of finding innovative uses of adventure activity for positive transformation of kids. With the vision of making adventure accessible to masses, Rocksport made its modest beginning in the year 2001. The company has even launched a very unique adventure race for education institutions, which in association with Run Vijay, as you know he's the famous MTV VJ, to host the Roadies show also. So they've been doing some great work, and congratulations and all the best for your future endeavors.